Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is playing something of Tina Chin. And Tina is speaking out to Lorraine and Bradshaw. She's saying that, basically they have been trying to be like her and, trying to compete with her, but they're not in her class. No, Maxine have other things to say as well. Maxine is saying that, she's saying that she's a Waterhouse bad girl, so she needs to go to Waterhouse. She's waiting for her to go. Well, Tina is saying that, Lorraine is not able to go back to Jamaica. And so it's a whole lot of things that they have to say about Lorraine. Guys, go and catch the video and hear what Tina and Maxine has to say about Lorraine. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their birthdays today, have yourself a happy birthday. And I wish you a year of prosperity, love, peace, joy, and happiness. And for all my other lovelies, have yourselves a wonderful day.
Mud. All you hear Lorraine they say me tell us a lie, but Lord go to your house. Let me read this here. Me say yes, Simpson laugh at me say fi big you up. But Lord go to your house. She turn you wonder yes, she wants to. Sophie, yes, me say when Lord come out at my daughter house, me say Lord turning an idiot. When she come in a me room, instead of she fi turn left, she dey turn right. But the boat they have how much bathroom? Have how much bathroom which part? If you have 2 bathroom in that the house, they have enough. Cause they must just put one in the basement, can none never down there. You know every house in them the place they appear one bathroom. They have all when they have 4 bedroom, they have 1 bathroom. 1 bathroom. I don't know where Lorraine gets so much bathroom in that house within liar self. Within all dirty liar self. I don't know when get so much bathroom in there. You talk here Tina, make we hear what they go on.
You ain't really fighting. Your heart ain't really about no damn victims or your heart isn't there. You just mad because you got rejected. That's all. I've been beating corruption. I was just doing it by myself and nobody believed me. But I'm 5 years in or 4 years in, y'all are seeing what's going on right now. But I've been talking about everything that all these people are talking about now. I've been talking about it. Been trying to show you all everything. You're just mad because you can't be her friend. And you cannot be my friend. But you cannot sit at my table, Lorraine. You can't. And that's a sad thing. Right? You can't.
Yep.
And number one, you love live. Everything you go, everywhere you go, you have to show live. Look good, look pan goody, me say look pan goody. You can't be around me. I can't have you around me, dear. Somebody around you like you can't come around me. You like a number 2. When you love live too much, everything will show up on live. By the way, I saw Donna buy that bag. Let's go back to that bag that Donna bought. You know, Donna, I don't know who. Michelle Bradshaw, what happened to your bitch ass? You can't come out the dark, bitch? And come over on my page and be communicating with me. I don't know which fucking world y'all living in, but in my world that ain't gonna happen. You know what I realize about a lot of you platform holders who get into entanglements with me? It's like when I have a secret hate for me. When I can't stand it. And I'm being very humble by saying that. I've noticed that. It's like the minute y'all decide to turn against me, or to start try compete against me. You know? If we never used to do this, we'll start do it. And then it'll make it seem like say, oh, now try and provoke me. Oh, look, I'm going to start doing wedding cakes. Oh, I'm going to start, oh, the one I want to do it. No, I'll do it, all I want to do it. It's like when you can't allow me, I make me run my business. When always I try to compete against me for some weird reason. If you don't like me, move on. But it goes to show how on a bad mind from a long time. On a bad mind from a long time and was just waiting on a time to start doing the fuckery. On a bad mind from a long time, y'all's intentions weren't real. When I used to come over my page and talk about, oh, on a like me, and it wasn't real, because look at it now.
Maxine, it's not Tina that get them mad. It's cartoon. She has evidence on them. But then fly out because Tina give it to them.
They're funny, they're weird looking motherfuckers, but Laurie, they're weird looking. Yes, we know they're weird looking, but sometimes you gotta check them. They still got a mind. Remember, these people laid eggs. These people are functioning society. These people got mouths. You know, as much as they're weird looking, they got a small brain. And believe it or not, there are other small brain people out there.
Yes, Tina hurt them bad.
Believing this film. So it's very important.
Tina hurt them bad. Me they tell you that. Tina hurt them like you can't even imagine how Tina hurt them. Tina give it to them. Give them it on them backside.
Here, go take care of that. Yes, her mom died from cancer. You didn't know that? Oh, yes, she did. Which makes it even more strange that she's on the internet speaking on my child. You think that my child begged for a tumor? You think she begged for that? I'm sure your mom didn't beg to pass off and get whatever cancer she had. She didn't beg for that either, right? But she got it. And she unfortunately passed away because of it. Did she beg for that? No, she didn't. You're talking about, oh, you know, I've no drug conviction and blah, blah, blah. You need to go to jail, as a matter of fact. You need to go to prison. Because you got some damn nerves trying to make it seem like, oh, because I got incarcerated, I'm a bad person. Bitch, how many dicks did you have to suck to get that passport of yours?
Oh, dear Lord.
Can you imagine how many other dicks you sucked that never got married to you, but you book up in that Steve while old idiot? We're fighting for them somebody and you're sucking cocky and making married to you to get your papers. Can you just imagine? You didn't go to prison, but you had to do some nasty shit to get that book. I didn't. You nasty ass bitch, you. How are you any different? Since you want to put everybody's business out there and try to belittle everybody to make yourself look better, how many dicks did you have to suck to get that passport of yours that you keep bragging about? Like you're any better than anybody. That's why you sit there and call immigration on me, because you felt like you were immigration, right? You felt like you have the power to tell people who should stay in the country and who shouldn't stay in the country. You and fucking Michelle. You're the ones who called immigration on Donna, too. And call immigration on that Pansmore one in England, because that's what y'all do. Sit on the internet, watch people live their lives, and call immigration on people, because you and Michelle feel like y'all the only two ugly bitches entitled to stay in America. How are you contributing to society, Michelle? Lorraine, how are you contributing to society? How are you have to talk about this great country we call America. You haven't been here long enough to contribute anything to Uncle Sam. Number two, you haven't worked any job. You haven't worked any decent job to contribute anything to Social Security. Nothing at all. Absolutely nothing.
Hi, Highness.
Low, foo-foo, 2 there, 1 night, jobs the way up. Oh, I'm work. Them shits are not proper jobs.
No.
Not proper. So you've never contributed nothing to the American government. Not even tax to file. Not even taxes. So why every day you come on the internet bragging about, oh, I'm American. What did you contribute to the American government? Absolutely nothing. You don't even pay Social Security. Not even that you paid. Every day, I got a passport. I got an American passport. And so do millions of other people. So do others. Who have American passports, have Jamaican passports, have dual citizenship. So does every fucking body else in this world. The fuck? Every day you get I have a passport. I have a U.S. passport. And then you're the Dr. Michelle She. Oh, as an American citizen, we did this and we did that. As an American citizen. Oh, Lorraine, I gotta go back to work, okay? I gotta go back to work. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Y'all are all bums. Just bum bitches. Bum ass bitches. Just get a little thing and go like someone or somebody. Bum bitches. You talk about, oh yeah. I've never been locked up for drugs, bitch. I got locked up in 2013. By that time, I was over 30 years old. Okay? No. What's that? Me I walk from, me I'm 17. Till in my 30s. We give more to the American government than you ever did. Okay? And I came out and I'm still giving more to the American government than you ever did. So how are you better than me? Sitting there putting up your passport in her life and all them ugly pictures she keep putting up. Who tell her she at? Every day she put up these damn pictures and I put the camera up on the picture there. Nobody want to see them ugly shits in your old ass clothes. Every day she left her life with them ugly, church looking fucking ugly flowers, ugly frack. And I one post. Nobody want to see that shit. You look like you belong in 1990, in 1980. Like, you look like... TeenageandCakes.com, guys. Let me use this opportunity to advertise my business, TeenageandCakes.com. I do birthday cakes, custom cakes, everything. TeenageandCakes.com. Like up the page, like up the live. 851 I hold up on here. I expect to see 851 likes. Like up the page, man. I don't bite, you know. I don't bite. No, like up the page. Y'all like fucking with people. And y'all know my mouth is reckless. Leave me alone. Let me be, bitches. I don't want to be your friends. I blocked you for a reason. I don't want to be with friends. Because we're not in the same class, number one. We're not in the same class. You understand me?
Me no know what happened to Lorraine these days, but me no know why Lorraine thinking get baptized and they give God face. If you hear the words them when they talk about the encouraging words them and 7 times rise and 7 times fall, and if you fall and you get up back and dust off yourself, and Lorraine, you forget say you call me old cruff after your thief everything from out of my daughter house, thief up to the ganja where you and Steve carry from out of my daughter house. You forget say you call me old cruff and all this and all that. Where the 7 times rise and 7 times fall and oh I'm such a darling behind the scene and this and that. You are a menace to society. You are a fucking menace to society. About your Waterhouse bad girl. Waterhouse, what kind of bad girl are you can't go back to Jamaica? What kind of Waterhouse bad girl you is? May God Almighty. No sir.
After she come here, I run with her. She run away from Jamaica. I don't know how she reach here, but she run away from Jamaica and each up in her Brooklyn. Or basement in her Brooklyn. Because her Brooklyn she didn't know she first touch road. Right? Come here and touch road in her Brooklyn. And then we don't know how she end up on. She must have live with her father or something like that. Lorraine, go take care of your father. Alright? Go take care of your dad. Like this, like so much going on in this world. You sitting down here every day provoking people on the internet because you're not really doing anything. Truth be told, you're not really fighting corruption. So what the fuck are you doing on the internet? Go pick up a hobby, man. Someone come go walk down your big sour cold body. Eh? Go get an hairstyle and get rid of that ugly ass hairstyle to the side, where you have brush to the side and all of that blood clot. Go fix up yourself, my girl. Go off on your frowns in bathing wall and go fix up yourself. Go get some better dentures. Not the cheap kind, because we all know dentures are cheap, are expensive. Shit, I want to replace a teeth, a tooth, and that's going to cost me damn near almost $9 grand. What is drug me?
I want to hear. I want her to go there. No, because I'm sure who she knew there isn't there anymore. Jamaica change up. Me say me want think of Waterhouse. You know say my Waterhouse bad girl. Where the hell she there? I know go along a Waterhouse. Me want she go there. You know help me PR fi go a Waterhouse, please. Me want she go a Waterhouse.
This and that, you're picking them this, you're picking them that. Ray. No, me never sit down quiet and make you do that, baby love. It's not fair.
No,
it's not fair to me.
him mother dead, him father alive.
And not because I own a business, that means that I'm going to stay quiet to anybody. I'm sorry.
Him father alive.
You hate me. I'm not going to stay quiet to anybody who disrespects me. I'm sorry. I'm not. Look at Nemo. Look at Chef Nemo. The one who called himself Chef Noel. Look at him. Look what he did. He could also call immigration on Donna too, and call immigration on. Which makes it even more strange that she's on the internet speaking on my child. You think you give 13 my telephone number, that's Sorefoot one, right?
Waterhouse bad girl then call you. Waterhouse bad girl then call you. Waterhouse bad girl then call you. They sending out a phone call for you, but your Waterhouse bad girl.
No, you don't do that. You just enjoy your labor. Enjoy your labor that you're getting. Right? You work hard. But other than that, I'm not the type. But I feel like Lorraine will just get up on top by the boy people because she can. I'm not like that. You know? Nobody can tell you what to do. And you brag about that all the time, that nobody can tell you what to do. You know? You understand what I'm saying? So I'm not going to tell you what to do. So we're going to continue allowing you to make a fool of yourself. You know, you worked hard, you said, and to expose corruption. Bitch, truth be told, you're not the first one. I am the first one. But you don't see me here knocking my chest. With somebody, I don't know, or it could have been a troll. But you know, not too many people have this number here. To put in the work to get your citizenship. You heard me, bitch. Can I add another one to that? Yeah. Yeah. And your husband is a PEDO. And I'm going to tell the whole world, your husband is a pedophile. You can look, you can tell them he's a pedophile. Look on him face. Looks like a little mongoose. He's a pedophile. Your husband slept with your daughter. And I feel like you know what's going on in your house. As a parent, you know, but just because he gave you your papers, you're scared. You're afraid. But I feel like you know what's going on in your household.